Karan there. Now, Imran Khan's speeches have been banned from TV, and his party, the PTI, can't use its cricket bat logo on the ballots, which would have aided millions of voters in a nation with some 40% illiteracy. The caretaker government and Pakistan's powerful military have denied suppressing Khan or his party, yet analysts say this is shaping up to be Pakistan's least credible election ever. Many others have been targeted ahead of these elections, including Imran Khan's sister Aleema. She is facing charges reportedly over anti-state speech, and she visited him in jail just yesterday. She joined me earlier from Lahore. Aleema Khan, welcome to the programme. Now, you have visited your brother Imran Khan in jail. He is, we understand, in solitary confinement for the last 6 months, but you could see him. How is he holding up?
He's in extremely high spirits, and he's been like that since several months. He considers this to be a retreat, and he's had a chance to read a lot of books, and he reads his Quran. So he's very comfortable in jail. He's adjusted himself to his environment, let's put it that way. The only reason we are able to see him is because they transferred the courts into the jail. So there's a community center where they've set up a courtroom. So there is one judge who comes in one after the other. Sometimes we spend about 14 hours in jail. As I keep saying, we should be given a certificate for being in jail for that many days. But that gives us an opportunity to, of course, meet with him. And I think our inspiration is him. I'm not being biased when I say because he's our brother, because he's such an inspiration that he comes, he swaggers into the room and he inspires just about everybody. Nobody else, only 5 members from our family are allowed to attend that jail court. No cameras allowed, no footage allowed, no picture can come out. So we do get to see him.
Okay.
And he, as I will say that he himself is an inspiration.
What is the impact on you, the family?
We do have terrorism charges on my sister and myself. We have 4 terrorism charges. We've got pre-arrest bails. So we do have to attend the anti-terrorist court after every few weeks. My nephew is also in the military jails on terrorism charges. My son has left the country and we do not need him to return because he's going to be arrested too. So my brother's in jail, my nephew's in jail, but that's fine. We are followed around by many people, but that's fine. We can deal with this. We are willing to face it, and we are facing it.
The information minister and other Pakistani government officials say that, you know, there is a free and fair election underway, and they say it'll go ahead as planned. But last week, an independent candidate, in other words, one of Imran Khan's party candidates, who now has to run as an independent, was shot dead while campaigning. The UN Human Rights Office basically said there's a pattern of harassment, prolonged detentions and arrests, which is disturbing. How do you think his party is going to do?
Remember, the symbol has been removed. So most of the candidates were forced to file independently. And the fact that they're fighting back, they're fighting for the voter. It's the voter that is being disenfranchised. It's not about Imran Khan anymore. He's not even a candidate anymore. But what you're taking away from the people of Pakistan is the right to vote. They are trying to create confusion. They are trying to basically arrest the candidates, create confusion. So the whole objective is what? It take away the people's right to select their own representatives. That's all that's happening. It's not about Imran Khan. He's in jail.
All right. Well, Aleema Khan, thank you very much for giving us your personal perspective and experience.
Thank you. Thank you, Christian. Thanks a lot.